Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video we're looking at question number 3 on our Alberta math contest. What have we got for question number 3? A vertical pole is 20 meters from a straight road. Looks like we've got a little bit of a picture here. So vertical pole is, I said 12 meters from a straight road. Mark is currently on the road 37 meters from the pole. I think this will be a 35. This looks like a triangle, a 30, 60, 90 triangle. How many meters does Mark have to walk on the road before he is 20 meters from the pole? Okay, let's draw this picture here. Okay, now one thing to notice, and they don't actually show it in the picture, but how do they actually measure distance? When I say this point is 3 units away from the line, there's lots of ways to connect. There's lots of ways to go from the point to the line. So what does it mean to be 3 units away from a whole line? It means that your shortest distance is 3 units away. Okay? And what does that mean? Well, it means that the line that I want to draw from my point to the given line must make a right angle. And so that would be 3 units away. Or in this case, for our 12 meters away from the road, we know we've got a right angle here. Now, if you've never seen this before, we're going to take a little detour away from the question. If you've never seen this before, why would it be a right angle? Okay? Well, imagine that wasn't the shortest distance. Right? Imagine some other distance was shorter. Okay? Maybe this distance, this is 3, but somehow this is a shorter distance of 2. What have we got here? We have a nice little right angle triangle. What's the longest side in a right angle triangle? The hypotenuse. And yet, based on my picture, 2 is bigger than 3? I don't think so. Okay? That's why the right angle line will always give you the shortest distance, because anything else would have to be bigger because you'd make a triangle. So we've got a sneaky little right angle here. We've got 35 here. Now, we don't actually want to know the whole distance. We just want to know until we're 20 meters away. But what we've got are 2 right angle triangles. Okay, so there's maybe this distance, call it A, and this larger distance, B. So 12, 20, and A. And if you follow my advice on contest preparation, I usually recommend you know your Pythagorean triples, know your perfect squares up to a certain amount. But by the Pythagorean theorem, 20 squared should be 12 squared plus whatever this a squared is. And if we subtract, we'll get, 256. And so you'll see a has to be 16. Okay? So Mark is going to move along the road until he's 16 meters away from D. Well, how long is it from M to D? Well, there's where our other triangle is going to come in. 37, 12. As I said, I think it's 35. I don't actually know off the top of my head. And I don't remember this perfect square of 37, but that's okay. Even without a calculator, we can quickly work it out. We'll get 1, carry the 2. Okay. And, silly me. There we go. So 9, 6, 3, 1. So 1369. And that should be 12 squared plus b squared. Okay, well, subtract on both sides, we'll get b squared is 1225, which is 35 squared. Okay. Quick check. How do you know that would be 35 squared if you didn't have your Pythagorean triples memorized? Well, one, I would guess that we're talking about integers, and if we take a look at the answers, they're all integers. And we know that this is 16, so we're going to have an integer here, and so a total integer. So that's how I would know that's the case. We could guess and check. But there's a nice little trick. If I see something like 5625, very easy to tell what the square root of that is. You take off the 25, it puts a 5 at the end. And then what's left? 56. If what's left looks like some number times some number plus 1, okay, which in this case would be 7 times 8, okay, then it's the smaller of the numbers, 75. So what have we got here? 1225, so we get 5. And then 12 is 3 times 4. 4 is 1 more than 3, so we get 35. Okay? So now answering our original question, we know the total distance here is 35. We got 16 here, so we just need to go this small amount here. Okay. And we get 19. So 19 is our answer. I think I saw that as A. No, it's B. So Mark just needs to travel 19 meters down the road. And there we go. So up next, of course, question number 4. We'll go through that and we'll take a look at that one next time.